Let's review how to import and run a libgdx project. Open up Android Studio and close any open projects until you get to this splash screen. On the Quick Start pane, select Import Project. If you click on this button, second from the left, you'll jump straight to your desktop. There, hopefully you can find the UD406 folder. If not, go ahead and press these blue circle arrows and that should refresh the file picker. The folder you want is 2.1.01 demo import and run a project and hit OK. Now that the project is imported, let's get it fired up. The easiest way to run the desktop version is to open the terminal down at the bottom left of Android Studio, and then execute the command gradlew desktop run. There we go, looks like everything's working. Instead of using the terminal, we can also set up a run configuration so that we can use the Control-R shortcut to run the game. To do that, we can go to this Run Configuration dropdown, select Edit Configurations, hit the plus button, select Gradle. We'll call this new run configuration Desktop. We'll hit this button and select the root project. And then for tasks, we'll say Desktop Run. Then if we just hit Control-R or hit the green arrow, we'll run the app. Unfortunately, you'll have to do this with every project you import, as these run configurations are stored in the same place as user-specific stuff like the theme you use, which doesn't make sense to check into Git. Finally, to run the Android version, you can just switch the run configuration back to Android and hit this green button, or hit Control-R. Hopefully all these steps are familiar to you from the previous course, but you might want to run through them again just to refresh your memory.